So hello everyone, today's code videos I'll fully explain how you can get 100% AdSense approved on your domain. So if you have any queries or get any problem to approve your website, then simply contact us on WhatsApp. Definitely help you to approve your domain and how you can get 100% AdSense approval on your website. And this is the main topic, and many people say that they rejected by Google AdSense, and most of you I think already apply for AdSense approval and they rejected, and some of you get below low bill content or other things. So first of all, you need to know more about what is Google AdSense and what is the criteria to get AdSense approval on your domain. So first of all, you need to fix your AdSense, your website, and then apply. And most of the people say that you have to 20 article, and this is the most criteria, but it's not matter if you have 10 to 50 article. You will get AdSense approval, and how. And in this course video I'll fully explain how you can get AdSense approval easily, and what to fix in your website. So in this course video I'll also teach you how you can write article using ChatGPT and how to get AdSense approval using this article. Most of the people didn't get AdSense approval, and they don't know how to use or how to um, write SEO friendly and human rights content from ChatGPT. If I copy this and paste it here in Copylex, uh, here you can see that my articles is fully 90%, 39 1% probably for human. And how do I write this type of content? And if I show you some article like this, and if I copy like this, and here you will see that AI content will be detected. You can see that AI content detected, and most of the people, you just copy and paste and you don't have enough knowledge to use this ChatGPT. So enroll our course and you will learn more about how to use ChatGPT and write content for free. So this is the main topic, and second topic is how to get AdSense approval easily. So enroll the course and let's get started.